Want to boost engagement and sales? GoHighLevel lets you build an offer wall where clients can access all your deals in one place. Start by setting up a funnel page inside GoHighLevel. Think of it as your central hub where every offer, freebies, discounts, or upsells will live. Use sections to showcase different offers. For example, you can list a free guide, a discounted service, or even a premium upsell. Make each one clickable with a call to action button. Use tags and triggers. Set up tags and triggers so every time someone clicks an offer, GoHighLevel automatically segments them and follows up with the right emails or SMS. Promote your offer wall link in emails, ads, or social media. Instead of pushing one product, you're showing clients a menu of choices, increasing conversions. That's how you build an offer wall in GoHighLevel, a simple way to turn one funnel into multiple revenue streams. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.